doing to get the word out about this above and beyond? And it's getting the word out to get people there, but what are you doing once you're there to continue to promote conversation about it?
Don't think of the client as the client. Don't think of the audience as target. Invite participation. How do you get people to physically engage?
I always find it advantageous to get to know your vendor. So there's a line between being a client and being a service, and then getting to know about them. I truly do care about their personal lives because it affects their professional life.
And BET they have such a short time frame. They literally like 400 feet from when someone walks in to when they enter into like the trade show experience that's all overrun with vendors. And they want to affect people immediately. And one of the most important things they want to do is grab attention. They want to say, hey, you're at the BET experience and we're grand.